enable Sarodha margin calculator. Sarodha margin. I hope most of you are using it, isn't it? How many of you are using it? Yeah, those who have taken it seriously will definitely be using it. Yeah. I'll start sharing it. Just search for Sarodha margin calculator in Google. Start. And then you will get the Sarodha margin calculator. After taking it, what you should do is that you should click BO and CO. Okay. And then after clicking BO and CO, click on NFO, not equity. Okay. If you are clicking equity, you will get the details regarding the equity leverage you will get. Click on NFO and click on futures. And then here I will search for DLF. Okay. Search for any other stock you want. Just search for it, and you will be able to trade only in lots. Just click on calculate, and then you will find the leverage. You will be seeing the leverage you will be getting, that is 25.6 into 4. The DLF, you can find out several stocks, and DLF is much like a bit costly. So you'll have, if you have 18,415, you can buy trade for 4,72,000 because you are getting 25.6 leverage. 25.6 times leverage. You can use the same strategy and you can place orders in it. Okay, so utilize, even if you are not using it, it's fine. You can utilize it in equity, so that you will be trading in wave also, and you will be making a lot of profit from even wave, which was like a bit tougher for you in the beginning. We have given the RSI at the end just because we want you guys to go through the stock, and you should be like familiarized or like much familiar with the stocks. It's same in equity. Just search for futures after the end of, like, after typing the name. No, don't use it in index futures. On stocks only. Okay. So even if you are using it in equity, make sure that you are trading in wave also with RSI and EMA combined together. It's just like DLF space FUT, and then you will find the stock, and then you can trade on it. It's the expiry. It doesn't help EMA signal, it helps you to trade in wave also. I didn't get you, Indra. So those who have been trading might have understood that this is very easy, like RSI is a very easy strategy to utilize whenever the stock is making a wave. So make sure you are trading from tomorrow in wave and you are able to take out profit, because once you are familiarized with the market, you can use this strategy very well. Understood, right, person? So that's it. That's it regarding RSI and EMA. Start trading in a very wise way from tomorrow, utilizing RSI indicators also. Futures and options come under derivative. If you have not attended, you will get those sessions money. So that's it. I'm like winding up the session. We have one more session going on at 10. So leave the session right now. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, you can use it in Wave browser. That's it. Leave the session. Good night.